what is meditation? Meditation is paying attention to what's going on. Paying attention is the act of looking, listening, feeling, sensing. When we're doing Tai Chi, we want to fulfill all the requirements of our Tai Chi movements. So we can take one principle, something very simple as the space underneath the armpits. If we lock off the space under the armpits and we're not concentrating, we won't get the full benefit. So therefore, when we're moving, we try and concentrate on keeping that space underneath the armpits. And this becomes your meditation. Also, say something as simple as the feet. When we look at the feet, we want to concentrate on one principle like keeping the toes on the floor. So when the weight is shifted to the back, we don't allow the toes to come up like so. So that's part of your meditation as well. And it seems very simple and very easy, but it's also easy to forget from time to time. So when we concentrate and focus fully on our form, on our Tai Chi form, you find that all other things, because it's so consuming, all other things in your life will just go out of that focus. So this becomes a very strong part of the meditation, is keeping your mind on doing things correctly and keeping your mind on the feelings and sensations that you're getting from doing the form. So again, if we have another principle, say moving from the center, and we're doing our Tai Chi movements, we can keep our minds firmly centered in the movement. So you learn to make every movement that you do originate from the center, and keeping it comfortable, keeping it moving, keeping that as the driving force of your movement. And this carries through as well for self-defense or pushing hands. If we're doing our pushing hands exercise, a partnered exercise, we can keep the movement coming from our center so that if I'm attacked, I still keep my center moving, and that remains comfortable and allows me more strength and the correct technique. Or if I'm pushing and say I'm attacking Bjorn, then I will keep the movement from my center comfortable, and that's the driving force of the action. So there's meditation in all aspects of Tai Chi, be it solo form, partnered exercises. Okay, thank you.